Now in this chapter we are going to discuss about the three topics, that is the earth gravitational force, second topic earth gravitational acceleration, and the third topic is a variation in the value of a g. Now first let we discuss about the earth gravitational force. So in textbook there are the given many question 3-4 questions are given. Now for suppose the example, we take the ball and if we throw that ball at up, then what happen? We see the ball go up with the some velocity and it come the a stage, the ball will stop and again it will come down on the earth. So why it come to on the earth? Because what is the reason for that? The reason is a what? Earth gravitational force. So in a textbook first question is a given, will it change with time? That means the velocity will changes. First it will go faster and afterwards at a some time it will come the zero. Now how will it change? So it is a what? Slowly. Why doesn't the, here is a given the stone move up all the time? Because of the velocity. There is a reason, the velocity. Why does it fall down after reaching a certain height? Because their velocity is a zero and earth pull towards itself. That is the reason is a what? Because of the gravitational force. The center of a mass of a earth is situated at is the center. So the gravitational force on any object due to earth is always directed towards the center of the earth. So object falls vertically downwards to the earth. So here is a given the, if we throw a stone vertically upwards, this force tries to pull it down and reduces is the velocity, this constant downward pull. The pull continues to be exerted and the stone starts moving vertically downwards toward the center of the earth under is the influences. So Newton's is a given the law, that is known as the Newton's law of gravitation. What? Every object attracts every other object. So here the sun, earth, moon and the satellites, they are also attracted by the earth, but what? With them having the some velocity. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is earth gravitational acceleration. So the earth exert gravitational force on object near. So according the Newton's second law of motion, a force acting on a body results is the acceleration. Thus the gravitational force due to earth on a body results in is the acceleration, and this is called the acceleration due to the gravity, and it is denoted by the small letter, that is a g, and the acceleration is a what? Vector quantity. You know very well what is a vector quantity and the what is a scalar quantity. The gravitational force on any object due to the earth is directed towards the center of earth, and the direction of the acceleration due to gravity, it is also directed towards the center of earth, that is what? Vertically downwards. And this earth gravitational acceleration, that g value is what? 9.8 meter per second square. Now our next topic is what? Variation in the value of a g. So g value, that is a gravitational acceleration, that value is a changes according to the situation. Now change along the surface of the earth, this is the first topic. Let me discuss now. Due to its the rotation, the earth blocks at the equator, that means earth shape is a not a same everywhere. So at the equator they are blocks, and it is a flatter at the poles. So in the equator they are the blocks, and at the poles they are the flatter. Its radius is the largest at the equator and the smallest at the poles. So the radius of earth, that is the largest at the equator and the very smallest at the what poles. So the value of g is the highest, that is what is the value, that is a 9.832 meter per second square. That one, it is a what at the, this one is at the equator poles, and that value is decreases their latitudes. So it is the lowest value, that is a 9.78 meter per second square at the equator. Now second term comes, second part, that is a change with the height. So the value of a g is also changes with the height. If we go above the earth surface, the value of r is the increases, and the value of g is what decreases. So this is a change with the height. So some one table is given in the textbook. There is given the place, height and the g value meter per second square. So first it is given surface of earth average, that is the height is 0, value g is 9.8. Next is given Mount Everest, that is the height 8.8, g value is 9.8. Maximum height reached by the man-made balloon, that is a 36.6, 9.77 g value. Next, height of a typical weather satellite 400, that is a 8.7 g value. Height of a communication satellite, that is a 35,700 kilometer, and the g value is a what, 0.225. That means what is the conclusion, the g value is a changes. If the height is a increases, the g value is a what, decreases. Now next factor is a what, that is a change with the depth. Okay, if we go inside the earth, g value is also changes. So the value of r is decreases, so the value of g should increase. Thank you very much.